Today, let us see an example of how an array functions will work and how it will reduce the number of steps required in a specific calculation. And let us see how this using evaluate formula, let us see how this operation, the mathematical operation happens. For example, 10, 20, 30, 40. The next step, I am going to multiply the above column into 2, and then in the next step I am going to multiply into 4. Now I am going to add 2 to the above value, and now I am going to sum the value here, like sum, select the entire thing, close brackets, enter. This is the sum value of this total calculation that what we have done. The same thing can be done using an array formula. Let us see how the array formula works. Now go here, put equal to sum, open bracket, select these columns that which on which we are going to work, close brackets. What did I do in the second step? I multiplied the values into 2, and then I multiplied the values into 4, and then added plus 2. Okay. If I give say and then press Control Shift Enter. Let us see what happens if I press Control Shift Enter. So we get this value, which is not the right value because we didn't close the values in a proper manner. Like we have to put a bracket here and close the number 2, and again put a bracket here and need to close the 4, and then put a bracket here and close the value 2, and now press Control Shift Enter. Now you get the exact value. The reason why it has to be because the operation will be executed in a hierarchical fashion. In hierarchy, it depends purely on the way we close the brackets. If we don't close the brackets properly, the result will be different. Let us see in some other video. I will tell you how the operation hierarchy of the operation will take place, like multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Let us see it in a different video. For now, it's very important that you close the brackets properly. So if you close it in proper way, you will get the proper result. Sorry, you need to press Control Shift Enter. Now here we need to see how this formula is evaluated. To see how the formula is evaluated, you need to go to Evaluate Formula. See here, this is the formula that what we have written. And if you click Evaluate, you will see the in a stepwise fashion. So it takes first it takes 10, 20, 30, 40, and this value is multiplied by 2. Once it is multiplied by 2, the values get changed to 20, 40, 60, 80, and then next step it is going to be multiplied by 4. When it is multiplied by 4, we get the 80, 160, 240, 320, and then it's going to add plus 2. See, it's all added. Next, the total it's going to be sum. Evaluate 808. This is how the formula is getting evaluated. So if you have any doubt in the how the formula is being evaluated, you can make use of this evaluate formula here in formula section. Go click on it. You can evaluate it and see whether the way the formula is working or not the way you want it to. to work. So this is how you need to make use of the evaluate formula, and the way we have to use this array for functions to execute and reduce the number of steps required in a given function. You can reduce all these three in just one single formula and you can execute it.